Our cell phones have the ability for us to turn on Do Not Disturb. And we kind of expect the Do Not Disturb feature of our cell phone to actually do that. Do not disturb us. However, if you're a caregiver for a senior citizen or you're supporting caregivers of senior citizens, you may very well want them to be able to get a hold of you even if your phone is in Do Not Disturb mode. Now, fortunately, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, there is the ability for you to override Do Not Disturb. I'm going to show you how to do it on an Android as well as on an iPhone. So I'm on my Android right here. I'm going to go to Settings. In Settings, I'm going to go down to Notifications. In Notifications, I'm going to go click on Do Not Disturb. And you can see it is on right now. I could turn it off, but it's on right now. Additionally, under Calls and Messaging, I can do two things. Number one is I can add a contact. So if I have someone in my contacts, in this case it would be in my Gmail account that's connected to my Android, I can add those people, whether it's the senior citizen, the caregivers, the doctors, whoever is important to me in this context. I can add them so that calls and messages from those contacts you allow will reach you while you're in Do Not Disturb mode. It'll basically bypass Do Not Disturb. Additionally, you'll see I have it on at the bottom, repeat callers. And what that means is if someone calls you twice, more than once within 15 minutes on an Android, it will bypass and the Do Not Disturb, and it will not be silenced. That's how you do it on an Android. Let me show you how to do it on an iPhone. On an iPhone, it's very similar. You go to Settings. Under Settings, you go down and you find Focus. Under Focus, you can see Do Not Disturb up top. And I can do two things. I've actually done it a little bit already. Under People, you'll see that number one is I can add people to what I call the override of Do Not Disturb. When Do Not Disturb is on, notifications from these people you select will be allowed. All others will be silenced and sent to the notification center. So I've added two people, and I can add more. I can see if I add one of my other daughters. Let's see, Rachel. There she is right there. I can add her. Let me go ahead and add the other daughter since I have 4. And there's Lauren. And then hit the checkbox. And so I basically have Jesse, Lauren, Rachel, Rebecca. Where's Megan? I got to add Megan. One more. Megan. And there's Megan. Hit the checkbox. And so now I have 5 people, my wife and 4 daughters. And those will come directly to me and basically bypass the Do Not Disturb. And the other thing that I have the ability to do as well is allow repeated calls. So if someone, whether it's the senior citizen I'm caring for, or the caregivers I'm supporting, or the doctor, the nurse, the hospital, etc., if they call me more than once, which means at least twice in a 3-minute period, then that will bypass the Do Not Disturb mode on the iPhone, and the call will not be silenced. These are important features that you may want to consider doing for either your cell phone or your caregiver's cell phone or your senior citizen's cell phone, so that you can take advantage of the Do Not Disturb feature, but yet still allow people who are important to you in emergency situations to be able to get a hold of you. The program is called Techno for Seniors. I hope this is helpful for you.